This is the perfect time to grab the golden opportunities of implementing your own skills in much advanced way using new upcoming platforms like affiliate marketing, social media marketing and online easy selling. In short, this will help you in beginning your new quick success journey. We are coming up soon in June 2020 to help you learn, enhance and implement your own skills into online platform series with the help of our free global sessions. Please watch this video till the end as I'm going to tell you about the most important facts and solutions to come out successfully of this current pandemic time. Business practices are now going to change completely after pandemic lockdown finishes all over the world. Do you know which business sectors are going to grow after this pandemic? Today I will provide you with the most valuable information that every person should be aware about globally, and this will help you to spark the best business solutions for your own businesses. Please watch this video till the end for understanding the new working culture of all the business sectors that will start after COVID-19. Today I will also give you the information and new updates about the free learning sessions that we will start from 6th of June 2020. This will be the best turning point of your life as you're going to get connected to thousands of people along with me globally. I would also request you all to comment on any new products and business opportunities that you are aware about, as this will also help millions of people around the world. Your valuable comments might act as auto suggestions globally, which will enable people to think out of the box creatively and move ahead successfully. First is entertainment. When I'm talking about entertainment, I'm actually talking about online entertainment. This can also be called as the digital entertainment. Majority of people are now spending their precious time online, like in watching movies and other web series entertainment programs. Now, if you are investing your time online for learning, motivation and future updates, then I would say that you are investing your time in doing something that is good for your future prospects. Remember that there is a big difference between investing time and spending time. So you need to choose it very wisely. People are preferring to consume digital content these days more than the written text information. This will create the best opportunities for the online content creation enterprises and corporates to grow their online digital entertainment businesses. Companies like Netflix, Amazon Prime and more such online brands are growing really very fast, counting the highest paid subscriptions these days. Please comment down if you too agree that entertainment via any medium is of no use currently, as learning and gaining knowledge should be the first priority to grab the new opportunities that are going to come after the lockdown. Second is healthcare sector. During lockdown, when there is no outdoor option left, people are spending most of their time online. Without physical activities, it will be very difficult for you to keep yourself healthy both physically and mentally. This will create the best opportunities for online doctors consultation, online pharmacies, online training programs, online diet programs, yoga and meditation training programs. I would suggest you to invest your time online more in yoga, meditation, dance and fitness rather than spending your time in online entertainment, which will surely not give you any good benefits to your health, business and work. Important thing here to note is that you do not need to spend even a single penny for being healthy, as there is lots of free information available online which can help you in maintaining good health on regular basis. Please comment if you would like to share something similar that can benefit everyone globally. Third is online education. Friends, these days online education is booming very rapidly. Some among them are online courses, certification programs, distance education, universities, online personal coaching and training modules. Online education was already going good before pandemic, but now during and after the lockdown, this will definitely grow much more. Also, all the offline sessions, seminar and events are now going online. Even I have been invited by many corporates and universities to take online motivational sessions and quality trainings for their students, employees and freelancers. Now during lockdown, even I myself have been taking many online events and programs for many companies. If you people have some more options for online education, definitely come ahead and comment below. Let the world know about it so that it helps everyone in progressing easily and effectively. Now fourth is supply chain and logistics. Now supply chain and logistics sector that includes goods transportation, shipping, airway cargoes, import, export and global chain is increasing daily during the pandemic situation. People are getting more into logistics these days, as this is the easiest medium for the import and export of goods from one place to another. Everything that needs to be delivered to any online digital platform, customer should have the good logistics network definitely. Also, e-commerce businesses are fully dependent on the logistics and transportation globally. The best option in the current situation is to promote import and export widely, as medical equipment, sanitary products, hygiene products, food supplements, and many more e-commerce products are going to be exported and imported globally now. I have been myself helping many of the corporate clients and companies in coordination with the best manufacturers, suppliers, buyers, importers, and exporters globally in finding the most cost-effective logistics and supply chain management. Though it sounds very technical, it is actually easy if we have the right guidance and the knowledge from good freight forwarding companies and custom house agents. Please comment or message me for more specific information for any product related to import and export, and I would be more than happy to help you in this. Fifth is digital marketing and social media marketing. Almost all the product manufacturing companies and the service providing companies are now looking to promote their businesses, services, products online with the help of digital marketing and social media marketing platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and many other like these. All these companies are now moving towards digital media and social media marketing companies who can actually promote their businesses, services, products online very, very easily. Hence, this is the best time, guys, to learn digital marketing, as this can give you many good opportunities to work for multiple companies and earn effectively. We are ourselves getting very high traffic these days from corporates, manufacturing industries, and service providers to promote their businesses, services, products online, as we have the best team of digital marketing experts and we market almost anything online, effectively increasing the sales and profit of the companies. We are also going to start free online training and knowledge sessions for new students, professionals, and corporate employees who are really looking forward to learn digital marketing and social media marketing in their field right now. So friends, please write down the comments below with your thoughts and suggestions so that everyone globally gets the maximum benefits out of it easily. We are also going to start the free knowledge and learning sessions from 11 June 2020 onwards. This will be via our videos and written text information modules that will enable you to grab the opportunity of learning all the online marketing techniques, social media marketing, digital marketing, knowledge sources, e-learning, affiliate marketing, and more in coming sessions. We have already received 1203 applications till now. Our first session will accept the maximum of 2400 applications only. For enrolling yourself into this, you need to subscribe our YouTube channel, leave us a comment with your name on Facebook page in the video description. If you are a student, professional, business person, entrepreneur, you should definitely grab this opportunity of e-learning. Don't delay and enroll quickly if you're really interested in learning something new. I would only appreciate genuine learners so that this session should actually change everyone's life after pandemic lockdown. I will be more happy and grateful to see all your comments, suggestions about the above services so that everyone gets the benefits of this easily along with you. I would also request you people to share this video to everyone widely and build the chain of awareness, learning, and motivating people all around the world in this pandemic situation. Please subscribe and follow me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for more future updates and new career opportunities. Also, let me know in the comment section if you would want me to make any video on any specific topic. I would be more happy to do that. I will really try to reply all your valuable comments via videos and other social media network platforms regularly. Till then, take care, be energetic, be grateful, and move ahead. Finally, remember, together we can, we should, we will change every good thought into a reality.